In this lesson, student will be able to know about the details of Internet and World Wide Web. Learning objectives. After the completion of this lesson, you will be able to understand what is the Internet, major Internet tools and services, history of Internet, how to access Internet, how does the Internet work. What is the Internet? The Internet is a worldwide network of computer networks using a cluster of protocols called Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. Permits internally connected of a number of various computer networks. The Internet covers huge worldwide wide area networks, WANs, and in addition smaller local area networks, LANs, and PCs frequently connected to the Internet, allowing access to the worldwide. The Internet supports communication and sharing of information and collaborates tremendous amount of data through different kinds of services and tools. Major Internet tools and services: email, electronic mail, news groups, Internet Relay Chat, IRC, Telnet, File Transfer Protocol, FTP, World Wide Web, WWW. Email, electronic mail. Electronic mail is a technique for exchanging computerized messages between PC users. It is the most common as well as widely used of the Internet. Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Rocket Mail, Hotmail, Outlook, and many more are available for free on the web. Username and a domain name are the most essential part of a valid email address. They are separated by the @ sign. For example, webtech@gmail.com. Newsgroups. Newsgroups are Internet discourse discussions where gatherings of users with common interests get together to discuss everything from programming to comic books to governmental issues. It is accessible through news readers. It's indicate to users where the users can discuss issues of the topics. For example, rec.arts.tv, discussion about television, its history, and past and current shows, such as the main television news group. IRC, Internet Relay Chat. Internet Relay Chat, the transmission of the continuous text content over the Internet. Internet Relay Chat is composed by subject of enthusiasm into channels. The chat process works on a client-server networking model and discussion occurs in chat rooms. A number of websites consist of built-in chat rooms. Telnet. Telnet is a text-based program that can use to link with another PC utilizing the Internet. Telnet is a dedicated service that permits an administrator or client to get access another person's PC remotely. FTP, File Transfer Protocol. The File Transfer Protocol, FTP, is a standard network protocol used to transfer computer documents between a client and server on a computer network. It is perfect for acquire or transfer files to a remotely access another computer. FTP programs are open source software and distributed free of charge. Majority of the browsers come up with their own built-in FTP capabilities. World Wide Web, WWW. Invented in 1991 by Tim Berners-Lee, the web is the rapidly thriving Internet service. The World Wide Web is basically an arrangement of Internet servers that support specially formatted documents. In light of HTML, hypertext markup language allow Internet users to access the information in computerized digital format. Simplest unit is the web page, mainly a document encoded in HTML format that can be accessed by the user by using a web browser. HTML links contents of a web page to each other as well as to other web pages through a hyperlink. Each page has an address, a Uniform Resource Locator, URL. History of Internet. In 1969, the Internet developed from ARPANET, the first PC system intended for the Advanced Research Projects Agency, or ARPA, is an agency of the United States Department of Defense. ARPA supported exploration on interconnecting geologically isolated PCs to permit communication as well as sharing of information and resources. Its initial objective was to make a communications network at Pentagon-funded research institutions over telephone lines. Because of the innovative development with early research that gave proof of huge to the accomplishment of ARPANET, which later on turns into the Internet, were packet switching and TCP or IP, Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol. In packet switching, data is separated into various little bundles known as packets and afterwards transmitted. TCP or IP is the main Internet protocol that permits computers to talk with each other. Understanding the value of interconnected computers, the scholastic group began with its own particular research network. The NSF-Net, or National Science Foundation Network, made and named for the National Science Foundation, connected academic networks that associated research organizations and a few universities around North America. Networks from Europe and distinctive countries were associated with NSF-Net, making it the backbone of the Internet. ARPANET was decommissioned, and the organization of the Internet was gone on to the National Science Foundation Network, or NSF-Net. Was a system of facilitated developing activities supported by the National Science Foundation, or NSF, starting in 1985 to promote advanced research and education networking in the United States. The rise of World Wide Web and Mosaic in 1993, NCSA Mosaic 1.0, the first web browser, was released to achieve popularity among the general public, conveyed an exceptional development to the Internet. NSF-Net returns back to an exploration venture, leaving the Internet in business hands and its management to autonomous associations.